Sometimes you gotta ghost the whole world and just get your stuff together. Not because you're mad, not because you're bitter, but because peace don't live in noise. Everybody want to be seen, but nobody want to sit down and get serious. You can't heal, elevate, or rebuild while you're distracted by trying to prove you're okay. Sometimes disappearing is the only way to really find yourself again. You ever had that moment where you just stop answering? You just stop going out. You just stop posting. And it's not because you fell off. It's because you finally realized what actually matters. And that's not isolation. That's alignment at that point, because there's power in silence. When you ghost the whole world, you start hearing God more clearly. When you get quiet, you start moving with intention. So yes, go ghost, fall back, handle your business in private, because when you pop back out, it's going to make total sense why you disappeared.